That's great. So tell me about the different pieces again.
Like this is the motor with shaking it. And then when you put it, you put the motor on the post, and then I turned it so it can go as fast as it's going right there. And then I'm using the battery and it's plugged up to this so it can power the post and the motor.
What you've made here?
Well, we made a light that could turn on and a fan thing that could spin.
That can turn on at the same time.
So you have two different loads, right? You have a motor and you have the light acting as the load. Show me your circuit. Can you use your finger, Kariba, to draw your line of where your closed circuit is? Because I see some extra stuff on here too.
Yeah, that's just extra.
All right, so where's your switch?
Right here.
And where's your power source?
Right here.
Okay, good. Your power source. Now use your finger to just built.
Well, this is called a branch, and so like it splits it, and then because this is the power source, and then it works from here. And when you cut the switch on, then this is like you can lower it and cut the lights on too.